Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra which we will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to e first. Now we have plus 2 in RHS which is positive. So left hand side must also be positive. So x cannot be negative since we have odd powers, and x cannot be 0 also. So x should be greater than 0 for x to be real. Now we will write our equation x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9 equal to 2. X is greater than 0. So we can multiply both sides by x power 9. Let's multiply RHS also by x power 9. We will get x power 9 whole square plus 1 equal to 2 times x power 9, which we will write x power 9 whole square minus 2 times x power 9 times 1 plus 1 square equal to 0, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. We'll write x power 9 minus 1 whole square equal to 0. From here we will get x power 9 minus 1 equal to 0, or by adding 1 both sides we will get x power 9 equal to 1. Now we will write required expression first. We have x power 9 equal to 1. Here we have required expression e, which we can write x power 91, x power 90 times x power 1, which is x, plus 1 over x power 90 times x. Now x power 90 can be written as x power 9 whole power 10 times x plus 1 over x power 9 whole power 10 times x. Now we have x power 9 equal to 1. So we can write here 1 power 10 times x plus 1 over 1 power 10 times x, which will be equal to x plus 1 over x. So our required expression x power 91 plus 1 over x power 91. This is equal to x plus 1 over x, which we are going to evaluate or find. Now I will consider one substitution. Let's say x cube plus 1 over x cube. Suppose this is equal to u. X is positive, so u must also be positive for x to be real. Now we will be cubing both sides. So I will put power 3 in LHS and RHS. Now we have to apply a plus b whole cube formula in left hand side. So we will get x cube whole cube, x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9 plus 3 times x cube times 1 over x cube times x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to u cube. Now we will cancel x cube from numerator and denominator. Here we will write 2. So we can write 2 plus, and x cube plus 1 over x cube is u. So we'll write 2 plus 3u equal to u cube, or u cube minus 3u minus 2 equal to 0. Remember, u is positive for x to be real. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. I will use method of factorization over here. So I will write u cube minus 2 can be written as minus 3 plus 1. So I am writing here u cube plus 1 minus 3u minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 equal to 0. Now here we can use a cube plus b cube formula. So we can write u plus 1 times u square minus u plus 1. And from the next two terms we can take minus 3 common. So there would be u plus 1 in the bracket. Right hand side is 0. U plus 1 is overall common. So we will write u plus 1 times u square minus u plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write u plus 1 times u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to factor this expression. So this is quadratic expression. We can factor easily and write u plus 1 times u minus 2 equal to 0. Or we can write u plus 1 whole square times u minus 2 equal to 0. We can use product 0 rule and we will get either u plus 1 equal to 0, u minus 2 equal to 0. From first equation we will get u negative 1. From second equation we will get u 2. So we have condition on u should be positive. On this ground we will reject u equal to minus 1. So u equal to 2 would be accepted and u was x cube plus 1 over x cube. This was u which is equal to 2 now. Now we will assume x plus 1 over x. Let's say this is v. X is positive, so v must also be positive. Now we'll be cubing once again, knowing that x cube plus 1 over x cube is 2. Let's cube both sides. So we will write x plus 1 over x whole cube equal to v cube. Let's apply a plus b whole cube formula. We will get x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x equal to v cube. We will cancel x from the numerator denominator and here we can write 2. This is v. So we will write 2 plus 3v equal to v cube or v cube minus 3v minus 2 equal to 0. We have solved the cubic equation in variable u, which we can factor here v plus 1 whole square times v minus 2 equal to 0. V is also greater than 0. So we are going to get v equal to 2. And v was our required expression. So we will write required expression e equal to x power 91 plus 1 over x power 91 equal to x plus 1 over x equal to v equal to 2. So our answer is required expression is 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.